Okay, so now the next thing that we are going to look at is the rules of naming alkenes. That is, how do we name alkenes? So for alkenes beyond butane, add ane to the grass root for the number of carbons. For example, Greek roots, if it is 6 hexane. So look at this one, the first one here. The first one here we have 6. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have hexane, and then alkyl substituents. The next thing is alkyl substituent. So alkyl substituent, that is, you drop the ane and you add yl. For example, we have ethane. So if one atoms of hydrogen is removed from ethane, so ane will be dropped and it will now end with yl. So if we have ethane, ethane will change to ethyl. So also if we have, like, let's say C4H10, so this is butane. So if one atoms of hydrogen also remove from here, we'll have something like C4H9, H9, and it will now be going to change from butane to butyl. So that is this. So in naming hydrocarbons, we first look at the long chain hydrocarbons, and we also look at the alkyl substituents. Alkyl substituent, that is the branching that is attached to the long chain hydrocarbon. So now look at the third rule is the position of substituent groups are specified by numbering the longest chain sequentially. Then the numbering is such that the substituents are at lowest possible number. So look at it, we have one substituent here, CH3, and CH3 of course is methyl. So now we have methyl at this position. We have methyl. So now how do we now number the longest chain? So we can number it in two different ways. We can start from here. We can number it from here to say here 1, and this one is 2, this one is 3, okay, this one is 3, and this one is 4, this one is 5, and this one is 6. So if you number it 1 2 3, it means that the methyl is at carbon 3, and the longest chain is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if we have 6, so it means that the parent name will be hexane, and the substituent is at carbon 3, which is known as methyl. So it is now going to be 3-methyl hexane. And so also you can number it the way the number it in the other direction. Look at it, they number it from here 1 and to 6. So if we follow their numbering here, we will see that at carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6, what they clearly show here, it means that it's at carbon 4 that we have methyl. So it means that we have 4 methyl hexane. So between 4 and 3, which one is the lowest number? So the 3 is the lowest, so therefore the one with 3 will be correct, and those one with the highest number will be cancelled. So that is how we usually name alkanes. So you count the position of the substituent to see the one with the lowest number. So the one with the lowest number is always taken. Then also look at this one. Okay, seriously, I think what I observe, they are making mistake. This one is supposed to be attached to this carbon, and this one too supposed to be attached to this carbon. So therefore, if you are numbering here 1 2, if you are numbering 1 2 3, it means that our substituents, they are at carbon 3 and 4. So that is why, and all the substituents are methyl. So that is why we have at carbon 3 we have 3, then at carbon 4 we have, so that is why we have 3, 4. Since the metal are 2, so we are now going to say dimethyl hexane. And this is the just first and normal alkanes. So we see we have methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, and decane.